Well, I think she's already well on the way to optimizing her diet because she's doing some testing. So if you want to switch over to sheep and goat and see what happens and see if these conditions are put at bay, that's a good indication that you should stay away from cow dairy. Generally speaking, my answer would be that if you're choosing the high-fat dairy products, you're going to have less concern than the low-fat dairy products that are giving you the lactose and even the casein proteins. The things that people react to in dairy are often in that grouping of the high-sugar dairy products like the non-fat yogurt that give them a reaction of some kind. But if you're consuming butter or cream cheese or things like that, if you insist on having those in the diet, generally in the Primal Blueprint message is like, don't make these a dietary centerpiece. You don't need to. But if you want to have some cheese on your meal or these things can sprinkle in there, that's fine. But again, the elimination strategy of cutting something out and seeing if you feel better and then problem solving and just continuing to build on your experience, that's the best thing that any of us can do if we have a suspicion that some food is not working for us.